Elevate your vehicle's safety with the 7-inch Starlight 4-channel split-screen car DVR recorder. Designed for use with RVs, trucks, buses, pickups, trailers, and vans. This comprehensive monitoring system includes a split-screen monitor and an AHD backup camera. With Starlight technology, multiple channels, and versatile compatibility, this car DVR recorder enhances visibility and security on the road. 7-inch split-screen monitor. The large 7-inch split-screen monitor allows simultaneous viewing of multiple channels, providing a comprehensive and real-time display of your vehicle's surroundings. 4-channel DVR recorder. This system supports up to 4 channels, allowing you to connect multiple cameras for a complete view around your vehicle. The DVR function records footage for security and documentation purposes. Starlight technology. Equipped with Starlight technology, the system enhances low-light visibility, ensuring clear and detailed footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. AHD backup camera. The AHD backup camera provides a high-definition view of the rear of your vehicle, assisting in parking, reversing, and improving overall safety. Versatile compatibility. Suitable for various vehicles, including RVs, trucks, buses, pickups, trailers, and vans, making it a versatile solution for different transportation needs. Easy installation. Designed for straightforward installation, the system can be easily set up in different vehicle types, enhancing safety without the need for extensive technical expertise. Monitor recorder. The DVR function allows continuous recording of footage, providing a valuable record of your journeys for security and insurance purposes. Split-screen functionality. The split-screen function enables you to view multiple camera feeds simultaneously, providing a comprehensive and real-time view of your vehicle's surroundings. Enhance safety and monitoring capabilities with the 7-inch Starlight 4-channel split-screen car DVR recorder. Whether you're driving a large vehicle like an RV or truck, this system provides advanced visibility, recording functionality, and versatile compatibility for a secure and informed driving experience.